Got a big breaking news coming in right now at our bulletins that bail has now been denied to Sharjeel Imam. A big breaking news, ladies and gentlemen.
The Supreme Court has denied bail to terror-accused Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam in the UAPA case linked to the larger conspiracy behind the February 2020 Delhi riots. A bench of Justices Arvind Kumar and N.V. Anjaria held that the prosecution material discloses a prima facie case against both, placing them on a qualitatively different footing from other accused.
माननीय कोर्ट द्वारा जो दिल्ली दंगों के आरोपी शर्जील इमाम और उमर खालिद की जमानत की अर्जी को खारिज किया गया, हम माननीय कोर्ट का स्वागत करते हैं। और ऐसे लोग जिन्होंने दिल्ली को दंगों की आग में धकेला, उन्हें कड़ी से कड़ी सज़ा मिलनी चाहिए। और वो लोग, वो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज जिन्होंने ऐसे दंगाइयों का सहयोग किया, उन्हें भी कड़ा संदेश मिलना चाहिए, वो भी सजा के भागी हैं।
उनकी ज़मानतें आसानी से हो गई। जिन लोगों ने चर्च पे हमला किया, चर्च के अंदर तोड़ फोड़ की, उनकी भी ज़मानतें हो गई। जिन लोगों ने रेप किया और बीजेपी के एमएलए हैं, उनकी भी ज़मानतें हो गई। इन दोनों की ऐसी कितनी खौफनाक और ख़तरनाक तकरीर है कि उनकी ज़मानत को कैंसिल कर दिया गया, जबकि अभी तक ट्रायल भी शुरू नहीं हुआ है। पूरी दुनिया का कंसर्न है। अमेरिका के लॉ मेकर्स लिख रहे हैं, न्यूयॉर्क का मेयर लिख रहा है। इसके बावजूद सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने उनकी अगर ज़मानत रिजेक्ट करती है तो ये तकलीफ की खबर है।
At the same time, the court granted bail to 5 co-accused Gulfisha Fatima, Miran Haider, Shifa ur Rahman, Mohat, Salim Khan and Shadab Ahmed after independently assessing and distinguishing their alleged roles. The bench rejected the argument that prolonged detention alone justifies bail, stating that trial delay is not a trump card in UAPA cases. It clarified that courts must conduct an accused-specific inquiry under Section 43d(5) without testing defense arguments at the bail stage. The court also held that terrorist acts under the UAPA are not confined to physical violence, but include acts disrupting public order, essential services, or the economy. The verdict comes on appeals against a September 2025 Delhi High Court ruling, which had found prima facie evidence of a coordinated conspiracy behind the riots that left 53 people dead.
Court has said that these cases are under special law which was passed by Parliament, which have strict bail condition, especially when national security is involved. The law also covers acts that disrupt essential services or harm the economy, not just killing or physical damage. And the Supreme Court has noted that Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam are differently placed from the other accused because there is specific evidence suggesting that they are the main conspirators, and therefore the court had held the bail cannot be granted only because of delay or prolonged imprisonment. So clearly, Sakshi, the Supreme Court rejecting the bail application of Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam. And what is important to note that the court, the Supreme Court, the apex court, have noted that there are enough evidences that they have to prove that Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam are the main conspirators as far as the Delhi riots is concerned.